Imagine you're about to open a new bank account. You've heard of TIAA Bank and EverBank, but you're not sure which one is right for you. Are they the same company? Or are they different entities? Today, we're diving into that question. Is TIAA Bank the same as EverBank? And if not, what sets them apart? Before we get into the specifics, let's take a quick look at the history of both banks. TIAA, or Teachers Insurance and Annuity Association, was founded in 1918. It started as a retirement plan provider for teachers. Over the years, TIAA expanded its offerings to include a wide range of financial services, including banking. EverBank, on the other hand, was founded in 1998. It started as an online bank, focusing on providing high-yield savings accounts and other online banking products. The merger. In 2017, TIAA acquired EverBank. This merger created a larger financial institution with a broader range of products and services. Are they the same? So, to answer the question, is TIAA Bank the same as EverBank? Technically, yes. EverBank is now a subsidiary of TIAA. However, while they are under the same corporate umbrella, there are some differences between the two brands. TIAA Bank versus EverBank. Brand identity. TIAA is known for its long history and focus on serving educators and nonprofits. EverBank, on the other hand, is known for its online-only approach and high-yield savings accounts. Product offerings. While both banks offer similar products like checking accounts, savings accounts, and loans, there may be slight differences in terms of interest rates, fees, and other terms. Customer experience. The customer experience may vary depending on whether you choose to interact with TIAA Bank or EverBank. For example, TIAA Bank may have more physical branches, while EverBank may have a stronger online presence. Key takeaways. While TIAA Bank and EverBank are technically the same company, there are some differences between the two brands. If you're considering opening an account with either bank, it's important to research their specific products and services to find the best fit for your needs. So, there you have it. TIAA Bank and EverBank are essentially the same, but with slightly different branding and offerings. Whether you choose TIAA Bank or EverBank will depend on your individual preferences and financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.